We commenced the project in the year 2020, only to be stopped by COVID. Then the project went into a long and lengthy delay. We then commenced in the spring of this year, where we started the sundeck overlay process on the boardwalk and seawalls. This project was not an easy project. The reconstruction of the concrete was major. A lot of effort was put to make it perfect, as we knew that this project would be viewed by thousands of people on a weekly basis. So working with Carrick Construction along with his crews and the sundeck crews, we accomplished all the reconstruction before we started the sundeck overlays. Once the reconstruction was finished, we then started on the north end with our classic texture system. It was done with an aggregate effect pattern. This 3-color aggregate effect will help hide the natural element in dirt. The sundeck crews worked diligently to get everything in place on time, as we knew the deadline of the summer opening was approaching fast. We had several vertical challenges on this, not only the seawall, but also the verticals of the swing benches. Now these swing benches are masonry, and we came and we covered them with our sundeck products in the same aggregate pattern to match the boardwalk. To add some attraction to the boardwalk, we also incorporated our SunStamp in between the planters. The SunStamp was done in a brick pattern, and I tell you, from the naked eye, you just think it's real brick. It came out that well. One of the pinnacle highlights of this project was the human clock that is installed at the lifeguard station. This human clock allows a person to stand in the month of the year, and their shadow will cast to one of the side numbers, and you can relate that to the time of a clock. This design, very complex, had to be put down in 5 different layers. Precise GPS positioning was used for all the numbers and the dead point of north, because if you were off one tick, the whole clock was off. So we spent about 2 weeks on this clock, and I really feel that that type of design is something that only a sundeck group could achieve. One of the things that was very important to do was to be able to provide a comfortable feeling to have a maintenance program in place for this project, where we would actually come down, we would clean everything, and we will repair any small dings or dents or natural things that happen. I think this is a very important element, that companies can provide this for contracts of this size. I want to thank all the people that participated on this project, especially the guys from SUNDEK of Washington. We couldn't have done it without them. They were just spectacular. Everybody, I know I put you through a lot for the past 3 years with this project, and we thought we would never get it done, but guys, we made it. Thank you very much.
We have a brand new boardwalk here at Buckroe. Very nice. We just came in for the season this year, so it looks really great.
They did an amazing job.
Yes, they did.
Everything looks great.
Love the swings, love everything about it. Thank y'all for doing a great job.
The new renovated and beautiful boardwalk has opened to the public in the spring of 2022 and will be enjoyed by beachgoers for years to come.